I was born in 1985, and I learned how to read on Black and White Turtles comics.
I just always have known, like deep in my soul, that I love to do art, I'm gonna do art, and no one's gonna tell me otherwise.
The idea of the workshop evolved from this live story, from a very ancient feeling of that primal connection of sitting in the darkness around a fire, being connected through words. We thought, man, we could remix this, we can put it together. Everybody intakes information differently. And as a kid, you're taught that you have to do everything yourself, when life is really everything but that. From your parents raising you to you finding relationships, it's all about collaboration. Those people who think that they aren't artists, that they aren't storytellers, those are our target people.
I meet adults, I meet elders, I meet, people my age that have not picked up a pencil since someone told them that they weren't good at art.
It's not about how well you draw, it's about how well you tell a story. We take words and pictures and combine them together to create something that one side couldn't create on their own. Together, you are able to unleash your full creative potential. Whether you get into it through the comic book, whether you do a workshop with us, whether you just see a live story, it all leads back to the same idea of telling stories and sharing stories.
And if we can just deliver a little bit of that inspiration or that reaffirmation or encouragement to kids, that just because their art doesn't look like the kid next to them, just because their art doesn't look like mine, doesn't mean they're not an artist, it doesn't mean that they're not a story.